China's top legislature on Tuesday voted unanimously to adopt the amended Annex 1 and Annex 2 to the Basic Law of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. The amendments are expected to provide strong institutional safeguards for the full and faithful implementation of the one country, two systems policy and the patriots administering Hong Kong principle in ensuring the stability of Hong Kong in the long run.
On the 30th of June, the NPC endorsed the National Security Law. This is in line with the attempt to improve the constitutional structure of Hong Kong. This is a major exercise. This will keep Hong Kong on the right track to implement the one country, two system and to keep us along the right path.
So as you can see from the past experience in Hong Kong, actually the existing electoral system, I can say, is moving away from our basic and fundamental principle of one country, two systems, which is the cornerstone of the Hong Kong SAR. So we hope that the improvement to the existing electoral system can let us to make sure that we can move ahead to the basic principle of one country, two systems, which is quite important for Hong Kong to maintain our stability, prosperity. So we hope that after the improvement, we can go back to the right track and we can maintain on the right track under the basic law.
Because Hong Kong's electoral system have been for so many years, and particularly so in the last couple of years, that it has been utilized by foreign powers to stack up their proxies into our political system, so that they would in all attempts to stop a proper functioning of the government, they had been trying their best to cause chaos in the Legislative Council, so that bills were blocked. Many bills that concerns livelihood of the people were blocked, and they filibuster the entire council so that no bills can be passed. So to avoid that, the central government has so determined to now implement a patriotism or patriots running Hong Kong principle. Emphasizing grassroots is very important because it actually gives those people a voice in the nomination committee as well as in the Legislative Council. So the poor people, in other words, has their voice or representative voicing their concerns in the Legislative Council. So the government would be able to listen to them more directly and would be able to improve on the government policy to take care of their interest and make the policy a more efficient one and the society a better one.
And we have received more than 2 million signatures supporting the improvement of our electoral reform system and also the implementation of the principle of patriots governing Hong Kong. Now, that is very important because this is a strong mandate from the people of Hong Kong, and we are confident that after the improvement of the electoral system, Hong Kong will have a brighter future and also will have a better political atmosphere for young generation and also for different sectors from the community to raise their voice